5 U.S. servicemen lost during the Vietnam War have finally come home, thanks in part to researchers at the University of Illinois, Chicago. Their remains were recovered from Phou Pha Thi, a remote mountain in Laos where 11 airmen were killed in a 1968 North Vietnamese attack. UIC's Center for the Recovery and Identification of the Missing, or CRIM, played a key role in finding the remains. Using drone-based LiDAR scanning and advanced anomaly detection software, the team created a 3D model of the mountain to pinpoint sites that might have remains. Their findings helped guide successful searches and recoveries by the Defense POW MIA accounting agency. The remains of 5 airmen were identified and returned to their families. The project reflects a deep commitment to honoring fallen service members, said Aldo Foe, a PhD student and archaeologist with CRIM.
The cool thing about working on projects like this, working for CRIM, is that the people is always there, because there's always kind of a level of really immediate human connection, family members who are waiting for their dads, their uncle, their grandpas, to be brought home.
Learn more at today.uic.edu.